Hello and welcome to all. In this video, we'll learn about the open browser action operation. In case you want to open a browser, there are two or three ways of doing it. One is using the open browser. The second way of opening up a browser is using the run program. And the third way is basically using the locate image and going to the shortcut key and doing a double click to open it. However, the recommended way of doing it is using the open browser and the run program. So uh, uh, in the open browser, you just need to type in the URL of the web page that you want to go. For example, I want the browser to open and directly go to linkedin.com. So I can just type in the URL linkedin.com. So this is the advantage of open browser. In run program, what happens is the run program will open the browser, but it will go to the default home page. In case I want to go to linkedin.com, then I need to add another two operations to go to linkedin.com. The open browser will directly take me to the web page where I want to go. The run program will open the browser and take me to the home page. So that's the difference. Another point that you need to note about the open browser is that the browser that gets opened would get automatically closed after all the operations in this particular scenario are executed. So you need to take a note of that. However, the browser opened by run program, even after all the operations are executed, it will remain open and you would need to manually close it. So that is the second difference that between the open browser and the run program. Let us now do a small uh, test run to see how it works. So I would insert a delay of let me insert a delay so that we can see both the actions clearly. So let me insert a delay of, let's say, 10 seconds, and then at the end let me insert a delay of 50 seconds, so that I mean the browser opened by the open browser command will not get closed immediately. So okay, let's test run this and see how it goes. Okay, this is the browser opened by the open browser. It takes us directly to the LinkedIn page, and we should see another browser. Yeah, this is the browser which is opened by run program, and it takes me to my home page, which is google.com. So that's pretty much it about uh, how to use the open browser and when to use the open browser and when to use run program. Hope this video was helpful to you, and you now know the difference between the open browser and run program. Thank you for watching and happy automation.